Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector. On 8th November 2021, Pakistan Navy commissioned the first Chinese-made Alpha-guided missile frigate PNS Tugril. PNS Tugril is based on Chinese Type 054 AP frigate. As per some Pakistan defense experts or think tank, PNS Tugril is most advanced frigate in Indian Ocean region. So in this video, we will try to compare the most advanced frigate of Pakistan Navy with most advanced destroyer of Indian Navy, that is INS Visakhapatnam. So let's get started. The Pakistan Navy had signed a deal of total 4 Type 054 AP frigates with China in year 2017. One frigate has already been delivered to Pakistan in August 2020 and second one is ready for induction. China currently operates 30 Type 054A frigates. PNS Tugril is a Chinese Type 054 AP frigate with some Pakistan-specific changes. PNS Tugril is said to be the third Pakistan Navy warship to hold the name PNS Tugril after an O-class destroyer in 1951 and a Gearing class destroyer in 1980. The Tugril class ships are major surface combatant warships designed for intense anti-air, anti-surface and anti-submarine operations in the high seas. The ship has a total displacement of 4,000 tons and has a length of 440 feet. It has a 32 vertical launch system equipped with HQQ-16 surface-to-air missile, the Vayu-8 anti-submarine rocket launchers and 8 air-to-surface cruise missile launchers armed with CM-302 supersonic anti-ship cruise missiles. It has a 76 mm PJ-26 main naval gun. It consists of 6 anti-submarine torpedo launchers, 12 Type 87 anti-submarine rocket launchers, 2 Type 7264 of 18-tube decoy rocket launchers and 2 Type 1130 close-in weapon system. It is also loaded with multifunction electronically scanned array radar on top of the main structure. It uses SR2410C radar, which is 3D multifunction electronically scanned array radar, slightly equivalent to the famous Smart S Mk2 by Thales. The same radar has been installed on Bangladesh Navy C-13B corvette, which was built in China. According to the manufacturer's data, it has an air range of over 250 km and can track 150 surface and air targets simultaneously. It uses Type 517 or SUR-17B air surveillance radar. SUR-17B radar is designed to automatically detect, record, process of target and send target data back to the intelligence center. The radar is suitable for corvettes, frigates and destroyer etc. and could be adopted on land or island. It is capable to perform medium and high altitude long surveillance. Since it is a metric wave radar, it is said to be capable of surveillance and acquisition of a stealth target and anti-radiation missile. It has a range of 300 km. The warship also features a top-notch combat management system capable of integrated naval battle group formation operation with rest of Pakistani naval fleet. INS Visakhapatnam class stealth guided missile destroyers of Indian Navy is bigger and heavier than PNS Tugril. INS Visakhapatnam has total displacement of 7,300 tons and length of 535 feet. INS Visakhapatnam class destroyers is equipped with Israeli ELM-2248 MF Star S-band AESA multifunctional radar with a detection range of 300 to 450 km for fighter jet size aircraft, which is definitely more than INS Tugril as they can only detect up to 250 km. INS Visakhapatnam has Thales LW-8 D-band air search radar which can detect 2 meter square RCS object at a distance of 250 km. Now PNS Tugril has a A-band VHF radar which is better air surveillance radar with a range over 300 km. INS Visakhapatnam has 32 cells of vertical launch system consist of Barak 8 surface-to-air missiles with a range of 0.5 km to 100 km. It also consists of 16 cells of BrahMos anti-ship and land attack cruise missiles. Now it will be waste of time if we compare BrahMos and Barak 8 missiles with Chinese copy. However, INS Visakhapatnam has more number of surface to air and cruise missiles than PNS Tugril. PNS Tugril has 76 mm PJ-26 main naval gun which has selectable rate of fire that is 30, 60, 120, 130 rounds per minute, whereas INS Visakhapatnam has one Auto Melara 76 mm naval gun with firing rate of 85 rounds per minute in compact mode and 120 rounds per minute in super rapid mode. So both have almost similar gun power. However, Auto Melara are the best naval gun manufacturer in the world. INS Visakhapatnam has 4 AK-630 close-in weapon system with rate of fire of 4000 to 5000 rounds per minute, whereas PNS Tugril have 2 Type 1130 close-in weapon system with rate of fire of 10,000 rounds per minute. Clearly, PNS Tugril have advantage. However, INS Visakhapatnam has 4 close-in weapon system which will provide the ship greater degree of protection as PNS Tugril have only 2 close-in weapon system. INS Visakhapatnam has 4 torpedo tubes and 24 RBU 6000 anti-submarine rocket launchers, whereas PNS Tugril has 6 torpedo tubes and 12 anti-submarine rocket launchers. INS Visakhapatnam has helipad which can accumulate 2 Sea King or HAL Dhruv helicopters, whereas PNS Tugril can have only 1 helicopter. Now helicopter is game changer as they can do patrolling and anti-submarine role, providing additional power to the Navy. PNS Tugril is very advanced frigate with some latest technology and advancements, but it is very unrealistic to say that it is superior in the region, as every machine has its limitation. PNS Tugril has some edges over INS Visakhapatnam, which does not mean it can completely take down Indian ship. This was today's update. Please let us know what is your view about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions on any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our channel if you had not done already. We will soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in the defense sector.